Pinkfong. Love is pink, pink, pink. Laugh with fun, fun, fun. Let's go having fun together. Pink, 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 fun. Love is pink, pink, pink. Laugh with fun, fun, fun. Let's go having fun together. Pink, 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 fun. Oopsie daisies, it's okay to make mistakes. Please go ahead and open up your wish that never fades. Once a day I say the words and spells come true. Let's see what magic can do. Here I go. Love is pink, pink, pink. Laugh with fun, fun, fun. Let's go having fun together. Pink, 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 fun. Love is pink, pink, pink. Laugh with fun, fun, fun. Let's go having fun together. Pink, 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 fun. Pinkfong. Pinkfong. Rachel and Baby Bird.
I really hope we find one today.
See this rainbow?
Huh?
Isn't it amazing? Over there. See these colors? It's Rachel. Fantasy. Hi, Rachel. Hi.
What a wonderful song!
I've never heard a song so beautiful. I want to sing that song too. Can you teach me?
I think Rachel's feeling a bit shy.
I'll practice some more and then teach you later. By the way, why are you in the woods this early?
A few days ago, I spotted a rare bird from this book around here. It's called a Burung, and they sing such beautiful songs. Give it a listen.
They're just like Rachel.
Like me?
How about you look for it with us, since you love singing?
Oh, should I?
This is a cherry blossom tree. The book says Burungs love cherry blossom nectar.
Oh, there's a bird. Hello, little Burung.
But why isn't it singing or flying around?
It's a Burung we've been looking for, but I think it's still just a baby.
Where did your mom go, baby bird?
Looks like it might have hurt somewhere.
I think baby bird wants to tell us something, but I can't figure out what.
In that case, today's magic is for Baby Bird. Hoi poi Pinkfong. Mommy, Mommy.
Wow, I can hear what it's saying.
Wow, how'd you do that, Pinkfong?
I used my magic on the music note hairpin that Rachel's wearing. Now, whenever Baby Bird talks, we'll be able to understand it through Rachel's hairpin.
Let's see what Baby Bird has to say.
Baby bird, why are you here all alone?
Well, what happened was I got lost and went looking for Mommy, but then I fell from a tree. That's how I hurt my wing. I need to find Mommy, brother, and sister, but I can't anymore.
I see. Don't worry, we'll help you out.
Really?
Yup.
First, let's take you home and get your wing treated.
Yeah. It fell asleep.
It must have been tired. But how are we going to find baby bird's mommy?
There might be a hint in the book. Burungs are known for their beautiful song. Their song is also how a mother and her baby find each other, even if they're far away. Burungs fly in during springtime and...
What's wrong, Hogi?
When the cherry blossoms begin to fall, they fly off to a colder place.
What? The The cherry blossoms will fall soon. Does that mean Baby Bird's family might leave too?
Where am I? Mommy! Mommy! Oh.
Baby Bird, it's okay. You're at my house. You shouldn't move your wing too much yet.
I miss my mommy!
Baby Bird, why don't you sing a song to find your mom just like the one in this book?
The thing is, Mommy taught us a song so we could always find each other even when we're far apart.
Now, let's sing the song we just learned together.
Okay. What was that?
Hey, hush up.
I could never sing as well as my brother and sister, so I went off to practice on my own. But then I ended up hurting my wing.
Oh no.
So you can't sing the song to find your mom? That's right. When I try to sing, my heart races and I just mess up the song like this.
Oh, I see. Huh? In that case, I'll help you practice singing while your wing gets better.
Really? That sounds great. Rachel is a fantastic singer.
Then Pinkfong and I will go to the woods and look for Baby Bird's family.
Thank you.
I'm so glad your wing is all better now.
It's all thanks to you. We're here.
Pinkfong Hogi, did you find Baby Bird's family?
Did you? Nuh-uh. We looked all over the woods, but we couldn't find them.
And the cherry blossoms are starting to fall too.
Oh no! What if they left without me?
Cheer up, Baby Bird. You've been practicing so much. I'm sure you'll find your mommy soon. Let's give it a try.
Oh, I knew it. I just can't sing.
I know just the place to go.
Huh? Where? Rachel, where are we going?
My secret spot.
Secret spot?
Here we are.
This cave is your secret spot?
Let's go in.
It's so dark and spooky. Why did you bring me here?
The thing is, I really love singing, but it's always hard to sing in front of my friends. I wanted to make sure everyone only saw me sing perfectly. That's why I always come here alone and practice my singing. Watch this.
Wow!
When practicing here, you can focus on your own voice. Let's sing together. I'm Rachel.
I'm Baby Bird.
Just sing with me.
Sounds good to me.
Sing together.
Sing together.
Give me the beat.
Give me the beat.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Sing louder with everything you've got. Good. Let's sing again. Da la 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 la. 1, 2, 3, 4.
La 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 la.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Baby Bird.
Sing together with all you've got. My voice begins. did amazing. Oh, this is a cherry blossom petal. The petals are all falling. This is it. Sing your song and call for your mommy.
Got it.
Great. A bit louder. Oh no. You okay, baby bird?
I just knew I wouldn't make it. I'll never be able to find Mommy.
Baby bird. Huh?
Mommy! Mommy!
Sweetheart.
I thought you would never find me since I messed up the song. How did you know I was here, Mommy?
How could I not recognize my baby's voice? I knew right away.
Oh, Mommy.
We've been searching for you everywhere.
I missed you both so much. This is my new friend Rachel. Rachel helped my wing get all better, and we even practiced singing together.
Rachel, thank you for taking care of my baby.
You're welcome.
Sweetheart, we need to leave for somewhere colder before it's too late.
Yes, Mommy. Rachel, thanks so much for everything.
It was lovely getting to know you too.
Goodbye, Rachel.